Hey there, fellow car enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for all things automotive. Today, we're diving into something super straightforward but incredibly helpful: how to leave a review on Carfax in 2025. If you've ever bought or sold a car, you know Carfax is the go-to spot for vehicle history reports. Leaving a review not only helps other buyers make informed decisions but also boosts your own credibility if you're a seller. So, let's get right into it. First things first, make sure you're on the official Carfax website. In 2025, they've streamlined everything for mobile and desktop users, so grab your device and head to carfax.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log in or create an account if you haven't already. It's quick and free, just enter your email and set up a password. Now, navigate to the Reviews section, which is usually found in the top menu or by searching for a specific vehicle. If you have a Carfax report or VIN number handy, enter it to pull up the right car. This is key because your review needs to be tied to a particular vehicle. Once the vehicle page loads, look for the Write a Review button. It's prominently displayed and might ask for details like your experience as a buyer, seller, or service provider. Next, take a moment to rate the vehicle on a scale of 1 to 5 stars and write your review. Be honest and specific. Mention things like the car's condition, any surprises from the history report, or why you'd recommend it. Carfax in 2025 has added new features, like photo uploads and quick tags for common issues, so use those to make your review even more helpful. Remember, reviews with details get more visibility. After you've typed everything out, double-check for accuracy, then hit Submit. You'll get a confirmation email, and your review will go live after a quick moderation process, usually within 24 hours. That's it, you've just contributed to the community. Before we wrap up, a quick tip: always be respectful in your reviews, as they can impact real people's businesses. If you found this guide helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more car tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.